Hey everyone, welcome back to Alpha Finance Hub, your trusted space for smart money moves and financial freedom tips. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. 5 powerful AI tools you can use for free to start making real money online. These tools can help you make money daily, whether you're freelancing, trading, selling online, or creating content. So if you're ready to turn your spare time into income, stick around because I'm breaking it all down step by step. 1. ChatGPT, AI-powered content. You've probably heard about ChatGPT by OpenAI, but do you know how to actually make money with it? ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your personal content assistant. You can use it to write blog posts, craft engaging social media captions, generate product descriptions for e-commerce, write emails and newsletters. Here's a practical idea. Offer content writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Businesses are constantly looking for content, and with ChatGPT, you could deliver quality work fast. And yes, people are earning $20 to $100 per article, depending on the niche. 2. Canva Magic Studio, AI graphic design. Coming in strong at number 2 is Canva's Magic Studio, a game changer in design. You don't need expensive design software or skills. Canva's AI features like Magic Design and Magic Edit allow you to create professional logos, design business cards, make social media graphics, even craft YouTube thumbnails. You can sell these designs on Fiverr, Etsy, or to local businesses. Some people even run Instagram pages creating quotes and posts for small businesses, and they charge monthly retainers for content packs. Plus, Canva offers a free plan with access to many AI tools. 3. Tickeron, AI for stock and crypto analysis. Number 3 is for those of you looking to invest. Tickeron. This AI platform offers real-time trading signals, AI-driven predictions on stocks and cryptocurrencies, trend analysis to help you decide when to buy or sell. While investing carries risk, Tickeron gives you data-backed insights that can help you make smarter moves. You can even use the demo account to practice before investing real money. Some users use these insights to make daily trades, and even small trades can add up to daily profits. 4. Pictory, AI video creation for YouTube and social media. Next up is Pictory AI, your secret weapon if you want to get into YouTube or social media content creation without showing your face. Pictory can turn text or blog posts into videos, add AI voiceovers, music, and stock videos, automatically generate subtitles, start a faceless YouTube channel around news, finance tips, quotes, or trending topics, monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Many creators are making $500 to $1,000 per month with simple videos, and Pictory cuts your editing time in half. 5. Durable AI website builder for small businesses. Finally, we have Durable AI, perfect for launching a business website in literally under a minute. Durable builds professional websites, business descriptions, service pages, contact forms. You can offer website building services to local businesses, freelancers, or use it for your affiliate marketing site. For example, many freelancers charge $200 to $500 for simple business websites, and Durable helps you deliver fast with minimal effort. So, there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today to create real income opportunities. Let's recap quickly. White heavy checkmark ChatGPT for content writing. White heavy checkmark Canva for design. White heavy checkmark Tickeron for investing insights. White heavy checkmark Pictory for video creation. White heavy checkmark Durable for website building. These tools don't replace your skills. They enhance them, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Comment below, which tool will you try first? Or do you want to make a detailed tutorial on any of them? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future money-making tips. See you in the next one.